to all those assisting our little country of Samoa. Especially on this night, we salute the government and the good people of Australia. Before, Samoans would gravitate to New Zealand. We all had relatives in Auckland and Wellington. But now the diaspora includes Australia. In January, we saw Jay Opeteia, who's in Samoa, cement his reputation as the premier cruiserweight boxer in the world. Just this week, the first Australian to be a part of the Super Bowl on a winning team was Jordan Mailata of Samoan extraction. In January, history was made. A Samoan for the first time won a tennis game at a Grand Slam. Thank you, Destiny Ayava, representing Australia, but whose parents are Samoan. This shows and demonstrates how impactful Samoans can be, how we can stretch our arms, our beings, to be meaningful and part of any society that we choose. And we thank Australia for the honour that we have to represent both Australia and Samoa. Charles Dickens said, "No one is useless in this world who lightens the burdens of another." This Valentine's Day, let's think of the love of those who lighten our burden. Be thankful for those who show kindness and mercy, who show investment and commitment to this beautiful country of Samoa. Those who continually stretch so that we may live in peace and harmony.
Reverend Salesulu, you're a hard speaker to follow, Reverend. You've done a wonderful job of summarising the relationship and done it so articulately. I thank you again, and it's wonderful to see you well.